Alright, so I got some new teen coilovers. I already put the rear in. As you can see, these ones are kind of beat up. The rears were leaking. They're just old. It's pretty easy. There's a bolt here, and then if you come inside, there's 2 bolts here. The rear has 3 bolts too. 2 at the top, 1 at the bottom still. So I'm gonna pull these off, measure, I'm gonna pull them off, measure the distance, and then install these new ones, make sure the height is good and everything. Yeah, so I'll show you once I get done. I already did the back 2, so I have the front 2 to do. So gonna knock this out, and then I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so I got them all in, all the teens. I'm getting ready to adjust the front. I already adjusted the back, I don't like it dropped too bad. So I'm gonna adjust these fronts now, and then, put the wheels back on. I'm gonna torque all of the lug nuts down and be done. So I will show you guys what it looks like once I have everything done and everything's torqued down back on the ground.